everyone, it's me, Kiana. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy during our quarantine. For today's Craft Monday, I'm going to be showing you how to make a snake craft using toilet paper rolls. So, for the materials that you will need about 6 pieces of toilet paper. You will need paint colors of your choice or whatever you have lying around at home. You will need a piece of rope or string. I recommend it being thicker because it's easier to move around once the snake is done. And then finally, you're going to need either tape or glue depending on what you have at home. So for the first step, you are going to want to paint your toilet paper rolls with whatever paint colors or designs you wish. I decided to do the body of the snake a light purple with a couple of white designs on them. And then for the head and the tail of my snake, I decided to go with a dark purple for a different color. So just know that the first step is you're going to want to paint your toilet paper rolls and let them dry. However, for the sake of the video, mine are already dry, so we can move on to step 2. So for step 2, this is where you're going to make the tail and the head of your snake. So as you can see, the toilet paper shapes are a bit different, and I'm going to show you how to make those. So you're going to want to take your toilet paper. You're going to want to pinch the top just like this so it looks like that shape. Now, in order for this to stay, you're going to want to either tape or glue the inside, not the outside. I find the inside, it stays better. And then you're going to wait for this to dry, and then it will come out looking like these once they are dry. So I decided for my head, I was going to paint on these little eyes, and then I was going to take a piece of ribbon and I just put on a tongue for a different effect. So my head and my tail are ready. So once I have all of my completed toilet paper rolls, I'm going to want to take my string. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to want to put my body, so 4 of my toilet paper rolls, on the string, except for the head and the tail. So you're just going to want to put the body ones on. So I'm going to do that, just like so. So it looks like this. Then, once you have your body pieces on, you're going to want to figure out what side you want your head and what side you want your tail. Then, you're going to take one, just like so, and instead of pushing it through, you're going to want to take your glue or tape and secure it inside there. So I know you can't see it, but once I tape that, it's going to be secure. So I'm going to take my tape right here. I'm going to cut pieces like so. And I'm going to cut my pieces. Then I'm going to put it back in and secure it down. So secure it down, just like that. You might need a couple of pieces depending on what type of glue or tape you're using. Yeah, so I'm going to need about a 1/3 piece of tape. And I'm just going to put it inside the toilet paper roll. Alright, so my tail is done. So I've already taped the inside of that, so it's not going anywhere. And then I'm going to glue all of my toilet papers down and do the same to the head. So I am going to grab some more tape. Or glue. Glue might work better than tape. However, I only have tape on hand right now. Then I'm going to do the same to this side. So I'm going to put my rope in here and do it again. Alright, so that that should not be going anywhere. And this is what the final product will look like. You'll have your head and your body all the way to the tail. So I will show you what it looks like on the floor. So this is what it's going to look like on the floor. So this is what my snake looks like on the ground. So as you can see, there's the head, the body, and the tail, and now it's ready for you to play with on the ground. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy making your toilet paper snakes. Bye!